What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Another one with D'Amigo Sledge here, and I just wanted to bring you here for a few moments just to talk about something that's a killer that a lot of people don't even realize is probably getting them sick if you're one of these people. So there's a lot of people that are still out there drinking tap water, the stuff that comes out of your sink. Now here's the thing. A lot of people don't realize that tap water is not really good for you. Now I'm gonna start with keeping it simple for you. Think about it like this. So if you get your water from the sink, first off, the water is going to flow through the pipe, right? The water then comes out of your spout into your sink, into your glass or whatever, and then you drink it or you cook with it. Keep this in mind. Those pipes have not been changed since the day they were installed. Now, the average person is scared to drink water that's been sitting in a cup on the counter for more than a day, but yet you'll drink water from the sink and say it's fresh water because it just came in. The water's disgusting. It's been going through pipelines throughout the whole city, going everywhere just to make it to your house. It comes from water plant to you because that same water that you wash down the drain comes back out the drain. So you wash your filthy hands in it, your toilet water, your piss, then it gets filtered and then it gets sent back to you. That's why you should not eat this stuff. Do not consume tap water. Tap water is only an instrument for you to use to clean stuff. You shouldn't be using it to eat stuff with it. You shouldn't be cooking your rice with tap water. Not to mention, depending on where you live, the levels of the minerals and harsh chemicals that are within it can be consumed as well. So like I said, stuff gets put down the drain and it gets shipped right back to your house. Keep this in mind. A lot of tap water has fluoride in it as well. They say it's good for your teeth, but if you do a little research, fluoride's a killer. There's a reason why on the back of your toothpaste it says, if consumed, call poison control. Because fluoride is poison. You're not supposed to consume it. But yet, it's been tested and found in tap water. Also, a lot of these minerals that are coming in through your pipes, they're unregulated. So I'm going to keep it simple for you. Your body needs iron, but you don't want your source of iron to be iron from a dirty sink, right? So you wouldn't drink from a dirty straw. So definitely don't drink from a dirty sink, right? You want to drink good, clean water if you're going to be drinking water like that. A lot of these minerals found inside tap water are not going to be good for you. More than likely, they can cause damage long-term down the road after long-term use. So it's a dirty sink. You got harsh minerals and harsh chemicals coming through there because you got to think of the way how they turn poopy pee water, add some chemicals to it, make it clear again after some filtration, and then put it back into the sink. Do you really want to be drinking that? That's disgusting. So if the fact that fluoride's in your tap water doesn't discourage you from drinking it, at least think of it as like a dirty straw. I'm just a messenger, but I can't force nobody to change. So hopefully this message was useful for you. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And go ahead and subscribe and watch out for more videos. Peace.